So what is up, guys? We are back again with another video. This time it is Subway Surfers, a game that I used to play a ton of, but I just recently installed it again. So yeah, we're going to be trying to get good scores. So I was born February 2003. Okay, just tap to play. See how far we, like, what high score we can get. I used to be really good at this game, but I bet I'm pretty rusty. But yeah. If you have any challenges or videos you want me to see, please recommend them. God, I have so many memories playing this game, like on my grandma's phone, like years ago. That and Temple Run. Those are some of my most played phone games. Oh yay, a jetpack. Alright, I'm doing okay. Sorry I'm so quiet, it's just I'm concentrating. So, what should the question... I forgot to do a question of the day. Well, no, because this is... I guess that doesn't count because this is my third video of the day, so... Yeah, I'm only gonna have one question of the day. My last question of the day was on the Spider-Man Unlimited video. I asked who your guys' favorite Spider-Man villains are. But... Oh, I missed it. That's 6. You know what? I got a question, actually. What is your guys' what is a video game that you guys could play nonstop and never get bored of? Mine would, for me, would probably be Skyrim, just because that game is awesome. But yeah, I'm interested in hearing what your guys' favorite game is. Oh, I hate those boots. I hate them. They always get me killed, like, in the dumbest ways. Aha, I was trying to get the coins and that, but I missed it. Oh crap, that would have been bad. I'm actually doing quite well, I do have to say, for my first time back in a very long time. It's basically just the same as Temple Run and Spider-Man Unlimited. Are they made by the same creators? I don't think they are, but... we are still going. Oh my gosh. That was so close. That would have been bad. Oh my god. Man, we have gotten into some really close calls. And I think I will turn down the game's offer to give me them glowy boots of death. I will take the magnet though. Oh, there's another magnet. If only the magnet gave you sucked in the collectibles also. Wouldn't that be great? Oh my god, it's going so fast. Oh my god. We are still going. Oh no. I was trying to make it over to get that other thing. Well, let's see what we get. How much? 1,000 coins. Cool. Another one. One of Tricky's hats. 29,378 is our current high score. So, alright, well, I think I will end that video here. This will probably be my last video for today. But, yeah, if you guys want to see more, Subway Surfers, please do leave a like, or just, you can always just leave a like anyways, just to be nice. No, I'm just kidding. Do whatever you want, but, do please subscribe. It really helps a lot. But yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.